In this video, I will show you how you can add widgets to the home screen of your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just tap and hold in the empty area on the home screen, and once the app starts jiggling, then just tap on Edit. From this menu, just select Add Widget. Now you can either select any of the widgets which are available over here, or you can just scroll down from the app list over here to set a custom widget from a specific app. For example, I will select batteries, and from here you can select any of the battery widgets which are available on the screen. For example, I will select this widget, just tap on Add Widget, and you will add it to the home screen. Now you can either increase or decrease the size of the widget as you prefer, and if you want to add more widgets, then just tap on Edit and select Add Widget. Now just select any other widget which you want to add. And once you're done adding widgets, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And this is how you can add widgets to the home screen of your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.